What's going on, people? Welcome to our weekly live. This Thursday is after a week of Rosh Hashanah, the Jewish New Year. So I hope everyone's still okay. I'm gonna start in about a minute to go over a few key things that I think everyone here should basically take to heart, especially if you're starting out, especially if you're a new service business and you're setting up your Google Ads account. This is something that is super crucial. So I see we have one person with us. Let me know just if you hear me. Write down in the comment section. Let me know if you can hear me well, because I've seemed to have some issue with the live streaming software that I'm using, and so the audio now isn't the best because it's going directly through the computer and not through my external microphone, so I apologize for that. But I want to make sure that there's no interference and everything sounds good. Great, so we can hear ourselves well. All right, so let me jump right into it. Let me share screen. 1 second, let me see if I can find this. All right, can you guys see it? Let me know in the comments if you can see what I'm showing here. Guys, if you can see it, please write down in the comment section, because yeah, all right, perfect. Okay, so let's break this down into two. First question, okay, is when you're setting up your campaign, how should you set it up? Okay, and this is a question that I got recently. Should you set it for your Google business profile or to your website? Now, I encourage all of you, first of all, if you're seeing this screen, this means that you're in the express mode. So first and foremost, make sure that you change your view to expert mode, okay? This is the simple way that Google just wants you to create your Google Ads campaign, but it will only drain your budget. This is not the way to run ads. It's better if you don't run anything than trying to do it this way. Okay? This is number one. Number two, never, and I repeat, never set your ads to your Google business profile, especially if you're a home service business. And I'll explain to you why. I currently have a client in my program that joined, and he has set up his Google Ads, before joining into the program. Now, especially with service businesses that need advanced verification and stuff like that, when you open up your Google Ads and you set up your destination URL, whether it's your Google business profile, your website, you get one certificate. Okay, that means that you can advertise for your specific service. You can advertise only to one entity, one domain. Now, what he did, not knowing how to set it up correctly, what he did is he pointed his ads towards his Google business profile and not to his website. And so what happens now that he's learning how to create his Google Ads the right way and really able to capitalize on the amazing opportunity that lies within Google Ads, if you know how to advertise correctly, we are now weeks and weeks just going back and forth with Google, trying to have them transfer the certification from his Google business profile to his website, because you can't have two certifications for one service business. Okay, so this is becoming a nightmare, and every time he calls Google Business Pro, Google Ads, they transfer him to the advanced verification guys, and they give him guidance that are completely false and not accurate. And so I need to back channel everything. I need to go over the entire process with people that I know inside of Google just to try to sort it out. And this is something that is super, super frustrating. Okay, so from here, what I want you to understand is two things. One, if you're setting up your campaign, you should never see the screen, because this is an express campaign. Express campaigns are not good. You want to transfer it into expert mode. You want your Google ads to be in expert mode. That's number one. And number two, if you want to advertise on Google, make sure that you never ever select your Google business profile as the entity, especially if you're a home service business, because that way you're just setting yourself up for failure and in for a lot of headache to try to sort it out. So again, guys, I can't emphasize it enough. I'm telling all this because I don't want you guys to make mistakes that I'm seeing people not knowingly doing, and just getting super aggravated, frustrated, not with me, just with Google and the entire process. And this is bureaucracy. Okay, so make sure that you're switching your Google Ads account to expert mode, and second, that you're setting your destination URL to your website. If you don't have a website, make sure you build a website, and make sure you do it on WordPress. Okay, this is the best platform for you as a service business. Don't try to put it on Wix, on Shopify, on Wix, on what was the name? Lead Pages, whatever it is. It could be great for other services, but not for home services. If you have an e-commerce store, okay, Shopify is great, or affiliate website or whatever it is, but you want to have your website on WordPress. Okay, so this is really my thing for you. If you have some question, leave them down here in the comment section below. I'll wait another minute or two to address those questions of yours. I know last time someone asked me, hey Lior, it seems like you're 24/7 on Facebook. When do you have time to work on your client and on your success? It seems like you're only promoting yourself. Okay, so I want to address that as well. So this is exactly why people join the program, because I'm not, I'll tell you the secret, I'm not 24/7 on Facebook, but I'm building this automation and the machine to operate as if I'm 24/7 in your face, so that way you can get familiarized with me, with my work, with what I do. And eventually, if this applies to you, if you want to learn how to generate leads yourself without needing to depend on marketing agencies ever again, you will book a call and join the program. Okay, so for your service business, whether it's a garage door, locksmith, whatever it is, whatever service business you're in, if you have a spa, eyebrow salon, whatever it is, you want to learn how to advertise. You want to learn how to do these things yourself, because only then you're able to make a calculated decision of whether you want to keep on doing the thing yourself, or you want to pass it on to marketing agency, to bring a VA in-house to do it for you, whatever the solution may be. But you're only able to make a decision, a calculated decision, after you know how this whole thing works. Because your job as a service business owner is to know how to generate leads. If you don't know how to generate leads, your business dies. That's the ugly truth, but that's reality, guys. Okay? So your business is not locksmith, your business is not being a plumber or a contractor or whatever it is. Your business is generating leads. Okay? So whoever wrote the comment, yeah, I see you all the time on Facebook. If you want to know how I do it and how you can do it as well, you're happy. You're welcome to basically click the link in the description of this post, and there's going to be a link to an application. If you be suitable for working with me, there's a few questions to screen out irrelevant companies and people. But if you are and you want to join and learn how to do it yourself, you're more than welcome. That's it, guys. We'll keep it short this week. I'll see you here next week. As always, if you have questions about marketing, about lead generation, about whatever it is, and you want to learn how to do it yourself, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. And if you're already past that and you want to join the program, you want to learn how to take things to the next level, how to run Google Ads correctly, how to do local SEO, how to do Facebook ads, how to do everything by yourself. Again, there's going to be a link down in the description, localservicemastery.com. You can book a call with me. We'll go over everything, see if we're a fit, and if we are, you'll see why business owners are raving about the program, so you can learn to generate leads yourself. I wish you all a wonderful, wonderful weekend, and we have our Jewish holidays, so whoever's celebrating and is observing, I wish you all the best and a blissful year, and I'll see you guys here next week. Peace!